Hello, everyone. We are going to start our first lecture of our series HRANK Project. If you haven't watched the previous video, please go through the first video. This is part one of the Python programming implementation of HRANK project. So first video is to start the program, set the environment. What we are going to cover in this program, we will cover five things. Number one, we start the CMD from the folder directory, and then we just start creating virtual environment. Here I will teach you how to create a virtual environment, and then we install different packages using text file on our folder or directory, and then we just install also the same virtual environment, the Jupyter Lab, and then we just start a Jupyter environment as a new program. So please follow the steps. So first step, you need to go and create a folder. I already have created here HRank. So here I just provide two things. One, we are reading this description, and another one is requirement.txt. Requirement.txt, we will install Wikipedia, NLTK, NumPy, LXML, Condel, URL BeautifulSoup 4, and Pandas. These packages are required. And then description file, I just already discussed about what we are going to learn today. So what I do is I just go to the URL of the directory here and just type cmd. This will opens the command prompt. So first command that we are going to begin is to find what Python version is installed on our computer. So we got 3.128, depends upon your computer and your installation, that any Python version would be fine for me. Then we are going to create a virtual environment on our HRank folder. So for that, you need the Python venv and name of the virtual environment. For example, we say HRank env. Once the environment created, so we go inside the environment. So we say HRank.
So we you see here, for example, HRANK PNV, our virtual environment name, and then we say scripts slash activate. So we can, same way, we can also deactivate. For example, to deactivate the virtual environment, we say deactivate, nothing else. So we find pip list what is inside our directory. This will show you the nothing in the moment, only the pip. So what we have to do is pip cls pip install our requirements.txt, that file I just created. Just wait for the files to install on our virtual environment HRank env. Okay, so our packages have been installed. So we say cls clear screen. Now we see pip list to find what packages are installed on HRank environment. So these are the packages like everything what we were asking to install. BS4, I can see BeautifulSoup and JobLib. There are NumPy, Pandas, pip, Condel, regex. So these packages are installed. Again, CLS. Next important thing to install now is Jupyter Lab now. So we say pip install Jupyter Lab. People do mistake without installing Jupyter Lab on the virtual environment, they start program. So it is very important to install Jupyter Lab in order to start the program. Why we are creating Jupyter environment? Because Jupyter environment gives you the independence and you can then deploy your project easily anywhere, and you don't need to install packages again and again, and you can utilize the same packages on the same directories, root directory, and all packages will be supported from the local directory where you have installed your packages. So our Jupyter Lab is now installed. Next important command is to start the Jupyter Lab and start the program. After starting the Jupyter Lab, we will start creating our first program with a scraper, how to download a website, complete HTML of the website using scrapers. So I will show you how to use request, how to use URL lib and BeautifulSoup and that program, and we just start playing Jupyter Lab. Jupyter Lab is a GUI, graphical user interface, a good interactive tool online. Everything you do, you can also visualize same on the same time. So that is important. So our Jupyter Lab has been installed. So waiting for confirmation. Yes. CLS again. Sorry. CLS. Now let's start the program. Say Jupyter Lab. Okay, so we are in a directory where you can see HRANK environment and the txt file that we created. So we just start with the Python program and we say this first program, rename the program, for example, testing print, test. Let's check. Yeah. And rename the my Python program HRANK. Okay. So now we got HRANK and our Jupyter Notepad environment is ready. So we don't need to, for example, packages. Next, see you in the next video.